Hey guys, it's Brad and the Buff. I got my buff in my head and I'm ready to go. We are getting ready to go on about a 45-mile hike in Pennsylvania on the Appalachian Trail. We got Alex, we got Steve, we got William. Crew's getting back together. This is Alex's first time out on the trail, so I'm sure he's excited. We will see. We'll see how prepared he is, but we're in Boiling Springs heading north. It's going to be a beautiful weekend. We're excited to get out. Does anybody got anything they want to add? Hey, see you guys along the trail.
This is great. Okay. Pretty cool picture. But it evens a little bit. I'm going back. Sister's go to that school?
We were walking across this land bridge and just saw this truck hit this other car. It was crazy. You see there's a truck over here. The things you see out on the trail, we were just crossing. Kind of wild. I hope everybody's okay. We just got done taking a little break. There was like a little country store set up here with like fresh milk. And we stopped in and got ourselves a quart of milk. Thankfully, Alex had a couple bucks on him. Thank you, Alex. And now we're back on the trail, but you never know what you're going to find along the way. Didn't expect to find a little store with fresh milk in it. So we just got a few more miles today, maybe like 6 or something like that. And we should get in the shelter just before dark. But it's been a really nice day. It's been super flat, and we're looking forward to getting in.
Susquehanna?
Yep, Susquehanna.
That's beautiful.
Bunch of helicopters flying by, kind of cool.
She just had it tight.
That's pretty cool. Going through a little puddle.
Looks like a snake.
The first real lookout of the day. We're kind of hurrying on into camp. We're only like, I don't know, a little bit less than half a mile. Kind of a cool, it's like a rock built bench. And then you kind of can see out over the town. It's a little bit foggy out, a little bit rainy, and we're getting close to dark. So we're gonna keep heading on in, but nice little overlook. We all slept pretty good last night. We're just getting up. They decided to make a little fire. What's the name of the shelter? We're at Darlington Shelter. We camped with a few other people. We were in the shelter. William snored, but we were able to sleep through it. We're just going to make breakfast and then hopefully rain pass over and we're going to head out. Okay, we are heading out. Darlington Shelter, about 15 miles, and then we'll be at, I think it's Craig's Valley Shelter, something like that. And the rain has stopped, and it looks like it's hopefully going to be a good day. Yeah. It is nice now. We're at a lookover or view or outlook. I've said it every wrong way you can, but it's been a nice day so far. I mean, we've had good cloud cover. You get a good view of the valley. I think that's the Susquehanna in the background. Susquehanna. And I don't know, we're enjoying the day. The cloud cover has been nice. I'd say it's what, maybe 50 to 55 degrees, something like that.
Yeah, 55.
Yeah, so it's perfect weather for hiking. We hope it warms up maybe just a little bit with some sun, but not too much. I don't want to be sweating like a pig out here. But anyways, we're enjoying the early morning, and we don't have a very long day, and we got plenty of time. And that's usually we're pushing it hard, but today we got all kinds of time to relax and just enjoy being out. We stopped for a quick lunch. We're about halfway done with the day. A little overlook here. There's William. So we're just get a little snack. We're 7 miles in. We got about maybe 7 to 8 left. Like I said, nice day. It is starting to cool off a bit, which is a real bummer. Lots of clouds up, so we hope it doesn't rain, but we're prepared for that if it does. But we're in the Cove Mountain Shelter area. So we're at the crossroads. We decided not to go down to the shelter because it was down over the hill a few hundred yards, and we just didn't want to go that far off the trail. And since there was a decent little rock overlook here, we decided just to eat here. But get some good food, eating some cheese and some crackers and some pepperoni, and just refueling for the rest of the trip. So we might stop again if we see another overlook, or we may just head straight on into the shelter from here. We finally got to a really nice view. There's a rock outcropping. There's a river below. There's no, oh yeah, the city's off to the side over here. I don't know what city it is, but this is the first really nice view we've had. It's pretty cool. So we just stopped for a minute, and we're enjoying our conversations along the hike. And we're not too far away, so we're doing really good. We are walking through the town, I believe, of Duncannon. Nice little town. You could resupply here if you had to. You kind of go straight through it. We're looking for the next sign now, but hopefully we'll find it in a minute. We're getting ready to go across another big bridge. We are crossing the Susquehanna now. So we took a little bridge. You can see a ton of traffic behind us, but we're getting ready to go across this big bridge here. Kind of a cool crossing area, huge plaque. It says Clark's Ferry Bridge Company. It gives you a little information. But it's kind of fun walking along these giant bridges to get across. From all my time on the Appalachian Trail, that was the largest city me and Steve have been through. We haven't done this much road walking, I don't think, the entire trip. So a little bit different now that we're heading north. So I don't know, just an interesting change. Here's a cool view over the Susquehanna and the bridges that we came across. So we came from over there, crossed this bridge, and then we came across this one right after. Super windy on the bridge. I got a few shots there. This is Duncannon right behind me here, so kind of an overview. We're getting ready to go around this mountain, but nice little view back from right where we came from. Yeah.
That's real cool.
Check out, these are buzzards, ugly big birds. They're all hanging out on this tree here. Look like something out of a creepy movie. Just made it into the Clark's Ferry shelter. We're not quite sure. One thing said it was 15 miles. The other one said it was a little over 16. So somewhere in that range. We did today. It's about 6:30. So we did pretty good. We took our time today, made a nice, easy day out of it. But we're going to collect some firewood, collect some water. Oh, that's gross. And, you know, just kind of make a night of it, hang out, and see what happens. We are getting out with the sun. It's a little bit past 7. You can see the sun is coming up in the background. It's going to be a beautiful day, we hope. But we're hitting the trail. We're going to catch the sunrise from the ridge. We had a great morning, a great stay here, nice fire. Everybody have a good time?
Absolutely.
So we are fueled up and ready to go. Nice view to start the day off with. Looking over the Susquehanna, sun rising. Good start to a beautiful day.
Pretty cool. Like when you can hear that sound on the video. Huh. So, yeah, part of this going on the team. I wouldn't be. We should use RAM to tell the college players like we'll get you ready.
You see some weird things along the trail. There's just like a bike stuck up in this tree. Who knows where it came from? Who knows how it got there? About a day ago, we came across a car in the middle of the forest, like maybe 50 years old, parked and wrecked. Don't know how that got there either, but there's some weird things to see out here sometimes.
Prefers not to drive.
I know a lot about snake bites now. I think that's a better idea. Another really cool view. It's called Table Rock.
You want one? Sure.
This is like, I don't know, maybe the third or fourth Table Rock we've come across on the trail. It's a very popular name for an outlook, but this one's great. You're just on like a bunch of rocks that look like a table, I guess. But just stop, catch the view, and have a few snacks. We're not too far from the shelter. I think we might take a quick break there. Yeah.
This is so cool.
We are at Peter's Mountain Shelter. This is definitely amongst one of the best shelters we've seen. I'd say top 5, wouldn't you, Steve?
Yeah, it's real nice.
It faces out over the mountain. There's a spring right in front. You can see it's a double decker. Those are cool.
It's in this covered area. Right
Yeah.
here.
It's always nice when you have the like covered picnic benches with like an outlook on it. It's got a privy, a nice big fireplace. Pretty sweet as far as shelters go, but it seems like we're always it seems like we always end up staying at the coolest shelters. I don't know why, but we're just stopping here for a snack, but pretty cool place at the Peter Mountain Shelter on the AT. We're starting the descent down the cars. We only got about a mile left, but we are getting just a little bit peppered with snow, which we were not suspecting this weekend, or expecting, I guess. We weren't, paranoid about it, but we were, yeah, it's like a sleet snow. So that's kind of cool. On the way out, we're just catching just a little bit of this, sleet / snow precipitation. But we're coming on in, and probably see you guys down at the cars. We made it in. We had a great weekend, about 45 miles down. How does everybody feel?
Excellent.
Lim got a little bit of a bummy knee, but he toughed it out to the end. So we're pretty happy to be in. I'd say it was a really good weekend. It was a little bit colder than I was expecting. We thought there'd be a little bit more sun and less overcast, but we didn't get too much rained on just the first day, and really enjoyed our time out, and we're looking forward to the next trip. I'll see you guys next video. Hey guys, if you like the video you just saw, please subscribe, click the bell so you can get alerted for any new videos that I may do, and check the links below for any information I described in the video. I'll try to put as much there as possible. Thanks for watching.